So here we have two representatives from different universities, Julia from Manchester University and Francis from Cardiff. So what have you taken from this morning's session?
Well, I think one of the things we took is the clear interest in a large number of local school children in applying for medicine, and also a really quite good understanding of the nature of general practice.
And similarly, I'm a GP, I'm a clinical lecturer at Manchester, and these are really keen school children, but it's quite a daunting process for them, isn't it? And I think there's so much help available that we're happy to share. The websites of the medical schools are excellent. I'm speaking for Cardiff and Manchester because here. Please have a look, tell the students to have a look. Much of the information is on there, but if we can help, we will, with events like this.
Do you think an event like this will help change the perception of general practice or encourage people to go into general practice?
Definitely, yes, I do.
Yes, and particularly the enthusiasm of the younger GPs and those in training has gone through.
Yeah.
And knowledge is power, and these applicants, if they hear positive experiences, that will make them think hard about general practice as a career.
So in a sense, what you're saying, it's important to have role models
Absolutely critical
for these children.
I also want to say that medicine's a very wide church. It's a very, very wide career. It's really about finding the part of medicine that fits you.
Yes.
And I think it's important that we emphasise that.
Yes.
These students want to get into medicine. They will go into many different careers. General practice training will be relevant to them in every setting. Some of them will naturally fit wanting to do GP somewhere. It's fine. We're just
one of the most useful things you did today was have a variety of speakers, and while we're all in general practice now, many of us have very different pathways to it, and that showed the inclusive nature of general practice. And even with the changes in training, general practice is still such a viable option all the way through people's career to encourage people in.
Well, thank you very much, both of you, for coming along. Thank you. And hopefully another one next year.
Definitely.
Definitely.